Hi, I'm Edmund Rouillet from Coldwell Banker, and I'd like to introduce you to your new oasis in the desert, 32610 Bloomfield Avenue. Welcome to the Tri-Palms Estates, a golf and tennis over 55 community in Thousand Palms, California, all in the world-famous Coachella Valley. Enjoy all the amenities, including a beautiful 18-hole golf course, including 2 free unlimited golf memberships, which include the 9th hole par 3 course as well. Enjoy the 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools, 2 jacuzzis, lighted tennis courts, shuffleboard, pickleball, and live entertainment. Men and women's social and golf clubs, public and private meeting rooms, not to mention free storage for your RV, and Tri-Palms Estates has it all. This is a community of manufactured homes, but rare in its beautiful landscaped grounds and very well maintained neighborhood. And you own your own land. It's move-in ready, a perfect jewel on this corner lot in Tri-Palms Estates, a 55 and over active community. Vaulted ceilings in the great room, open to the kitchen and dining area. This newly remodeled manufactured home is awaiting your loving touch. All new counters and flooring, clean as a whistle. Two bedrooms, 2 baths, oversized master, includes soaking tub, wide open 180-degree expansive mountain outlook from newly installed Pella windows. Includes this expansive walk-in closet. (1,248 square feet). Here we see the backyard patio with a beautiful spot for a fireplace, central air condition and heating. The lot size is 4,791 feet, great for a home garden or even a swimming pool. This jewel of a home is the perfect palette to create your own unique desert oasis. Or if you're looking for a great income producing property, this is a buy low and rents high in this unique neighborhood. 2 outdoor patios, fenced yard, surrounded by mature palm trees in the city of Thousand Palms. Shopping surrounds you from Home Depot, Walmart, Sam's Club, Costco, and the chic shops and restaurants of El Paseo, Coachella Valley's Rodeo Drive. Call me or text me, Edmund Rouillet, 310-738-0475. Let's make an appointment for you to see it today, your oasis in the desert.